Hello everyone, this is the same Nokia Lumia 520 that just got driven over by the Mercedes-Benz. Still fully working obviously, and of course the one that's also been through the washing machine as well as the freezer and oven in the first part of the video. So congratulations, you made it through that part. This is the second part of the series about torture testing and destroying this old Nokia Windows phone. So of course you haven't even covered the most important part yet, and that's the drop test, the well-dreaded drop test. So I devised 3 drop zones, and then we're going to do an extreme drop test. Well, it is turned on and playing some music, obviously, just to make sure that it actually still works fully functionally. So, and here we go. Let's play it. There we go. It is working, the music video. And our first drop will be a 3-foot drop from here, from the height of this bike lock ledge. So onto the back. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, the music stopped. Maybe it just hit the pause. Oh, it's restarting. Wow. Can't believe it survived being ran over, but that simple drop already made it restart. But we'll continue. Well, it's turned on, obviously, booting up. We're going to drop it on the side from 3 feet from this height as well. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow, it's actually still turned on. All right, front-facing drop test, 3 feet. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. I can't believe 3 foot is... Oh, wow, it is still on, so 3 feet is all it takes to crack the screen, apparently, if dropped onto concrete. But I'm going to be totally finishing this off. Once it loads up, I'm going to drop it from a height of 100 feet. But first, let's see if it can actually survive a 5-foot drop. Onto the back. In 3, 2, 1. It's still turned on. I think the back not coming apart is the reason why it shattered the screen, because you know, when it doesn't come back, it cannot absorb the energy. All right, 5 foot on its side in 3, 2, 1. Oh, does it still work? No, I think, oh, it's restarting again. Oh, I felt a vibration, but it's not, here, let me try and take it. Let me try to do a hard reset, and I'll catch you guys up later. All right, since the phone is still booting up, you may not be able to see it in the full sunlight, even though it's got some damages, obviously. We're going to drop it from a height of 100 feet like I promised, way up there. I'm going to make sure the coast is clear. I'm going to have the music video playing, and then I'm going to just throw it out the window and see if it survives. I'm pretty sure that will completely finish it off, and that'll be the end of this phone's destruction series. So let's go ahead and do it. This is just letting you know that I am actually going to extreme heights to drop this poor thing. I'll have the video recording on this as well, and hopefully you can get the footage of the fall. So it is going up. Yep, we made it to a height about approximately close to 100 feet. We're very, very high up, obviously. And this is kind of sketchy, but let's go ahead and do it anyway. So let me find an opening. Actually, I have to go to the top of another structure. This one's slightly shorter, but still well above 50 feet because there was security patrolling that area. But now this phone is recording as well. I'm going to throw it onto that pathway from a height about 50 feet. See if it survives or even save the footage. In 3, 2, 1. That did not sound good. Let's go and see what happened. Okay, so I've put the phone back together. Let's see if it powers on. Oh wow, I still felt the vibration. Oh, the LCD didn't even damage. It's only purely cosmetic. Let's go and do it again. Let's see what it really takes until this thing no longer comes back on at all. That was from 50 feet. Let's do that again. Okay, even the music still works, though it is very slow. Right now, let's drop it straight on the back. Direct this time. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. Let's go and see if it still works this time. Yeah, there's the wreckage. The battery's still in there, but let's put the back on and see if it still works this time. Yeah, oh wow, it's restarting again. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy that it's still somehow working after all this carnage. The back doesn't snap on as easily as it used to, but I'm gonna try and fix that. And the audio still works. Oh, the screen's got even more cracks. Only cosmetic damages by 2 drops from 50 feet. I'm so impressed with this. All right, let's go ahead and do a more dramatic. I'm gonna drop it on the corner this time and see what kind of damage will that do. Yep, this should be good. Let's drop it directly onto one of the back corners. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, now it wouldn't turn on. I think that actually finished it off this time. So thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos and just make sure we actually finish it off. Yeah, let's see how many cracks we can actually get on. I'm sure the battery is still in. I have nothing against Nokia, guys. I don't hate them. I'm just doing it out of curiosity. Yeah, we actually damaged the casing this time. Yeah. Let's put it back in. I'm afraid I'm gonna cut myself, actually. Yeah, I won't even go back on properly now. Oh, the side buttons are missing. That's how easily it comes off. Come on, let's see if it... All right, let's do one on the side. Oh, that got the battery. Since it doesn't even work, I don't even bother putting the battery. Let's see how the camera can withstand an impact. Oh wow, I can't believe it's still not cracked. Wow. It's only really the screen. The camera still, you know. Let's see if I can, oh, there we go. Now the camera's done. Let's try one more time. Yeah. Yeah, the camera's finished. The phone is completely finished. Let's actually do one on the screen and see what actually happens here. That wasn't hard enough. Let's try it again. Oh wow, it's really sharp right now. That got it. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos and stay subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.